how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Jack Skellington, Confused. So if you look through the channel, there's other versions of Jack Skellington I did. Just doing the head, by the way. Check those out. If you look through all those videos, you'll have this pretty good idea of how to draw Jack Skellington in different, different poses and different expressions. So this is just one of those. I'll try to link them in the description as well. So thank you so much. Let's get started, by the way. First thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start with the circle of the head. And it's a little bit curved at the top. Sometimes it's a complete circle, but you can curve it at the top and get away with that, I think. And then I'm going to go to the bottom. The bottom's going to be much more round. A very, very egg-like thing, honestly, in my opinion. But yeah, so very, very, direct. Also, don't forget, if you're a beginner and you love drawing Halloween stuff, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notifications. I'm going to post all through Halloween season. It's a seasonal channel. The cool part is when you subscribe, you get subscribed for next year as well, because I kind of stopped. I mean, I'll post a bit in Halloween for Night Before Christmas and stuff. And I'll post maybe one video a month after that until Halloween rolls around again. But generally, I post pretty much 95% of my videos within like September, October. So you don't want to miss. And when next year rolls around, you'll just start seeing, cool videos on your feed. You'll be like, oh, cool. Like, yeah, I forgot Halloween. So it's cool when you subscribe. If the stuff I do here is worth your time, absolutely do that. So let's go over here and draw one of his eyes. Kind of egg-like there. Let me draw a little bit bigger, actually. There we go. I'm going to fill this in to show the void of that eye. Right on. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to have the eye a little bit lower on this side. It's going to be the same shape, but it's going to be a little bit lower because I want it to look like, huh? What? And I'm going to fill that in. Right on. Go to the top of the eye over here. Curve. Over here as well. Curve. So he's going to have these eye things going on. Line over here. Line over here. Alrighty. We'll go with the bottom. Normally what happens is he's got this big old smile, right? We're gonna, instead it's gonna be more of like a little tiny, like that. Maybe expand that a little bit more because he's going like, huh? Like he's opening his mouth just a crack, right? Just a little bit. And then we're going to draw the lines, right? Because he normally has these stitching and or like teeth shape kind of going on with that. So I'm going to draw a line here, because it's all going to be bunched up. So be aware of that. Right on. Doing good. We're mostly done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a thicker line around the border again, and I want to do that because it gives it a more firm look, like a sticker. Because since we're only drawing his head, we need to emphasize that. Because otherwise, it looks like he's just like a dislocated, disembodied head or whatever. So that's why I want to make the outside thicker to look more like a just a general sticker look. Also, don't forget, there's a free gift in the description. There is a free Halloween drawing templates. Basically, it's all within one ebook. So that there's like one template per page. It's like based on the old drawings that we did on the channel, drawing lessons, but they're on paper form. There is over 100 drawing templates there. Go check that out. The reason I put 100 is just because it was a product, but I decided to give it out for free this year. So go download that in the first link in the description. It is, really meant to, be a lot of good there. It's just really meant to be like as a thank you for supporting me all these years on this channel. You guys have really been amazing. Everybody who's stuck around here. It's amazing how to see people year after year as well. So I'm just really grateful. If you want to add some extra details to this, you can throw some like thin lines along the edges, which will give it some form. Real thin. Has to be real thin though. But yeah, but I really, guys, I really want to thank you. You guys have done so much for me, and that's why I'm grateful in doing that for you. I want to do so much more with the channel. Honestly, my eventual goal would be to like get like a camera crew. We go out like public locations and draw like in graveyards and stuff like that for Halloween. I want to do that so bad, but I just don't have the money for that. Maybe in a couple years if the channel's like much larger, that'd be cool. I'm gonna expand the nostril a little bit at the top here. And if you do want, to make the channel bigger, share the video. That is the best thing you can possibly do, is sharing the video. Sharing the video would be amazing, because when you share the video, it brings back a lot of cool people, and then people just talk, and it's like, I don't know, you have this community, right, for like 3 months out of the year. So, but yeah, it does a lot for the channel, and as far as like the mood and everything. I'm actually still just kind of repairing some of these lines, but we're pretty much done, by the way. You can go if you want. There's just extra talking. I'm gonna dress like, as I'm fixing a couple of things, I'm gonna dress like Marty McFly this year from Back to the Future. I'm waiting for the outfit to show up in the mail. I hope it fits. Otherwise, I have to return it. And I'm getting these cool Jack Skellington. I bought these cool Jack Skellington. It's like a 6-foot tall Jack Skellington animatronic thing that moves and talks for the house for Halloween. So I'm really, really, really excited about that. That hasn't made it in the mail yet. I'll try to take pictures and put it on the community board. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. Other thing is, I have full-blown drawing lessons and Skillshare. If you would like to upgrade your entire drawing ability, overall, I have videos on anatomy, I have videos on portrait drawing, I have videos on anime. All that stuff you can actually see free if you sign up for Skillshare on the link below. Go check out the link, one of the links below. There's Skillshare, and basically when you sign up for 1 month, you get 1 month free, and you can see everything. And if you follow those videos, you will 100% level up your entire drawing skill. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and definitely hit me up in the comments. And if you can hear this right now, if you actually got to the end of this, like this big ramble, say hi to me in the comments, all right? And I'll know that you did. I'll talk to you later, okay? See you soon. Stay spooky, all right?